So we're making Siri's and I's favorite quick pancakes. That it's a little bit of a twist. Normally we just use a pancake mix, which is kind of nice. You can make your own from scratch for this, but to vary it, we put 1 cup of this into it, and then we put 1 cup of coarse ground cornmeal into here. And so that this is a blend of both cornmeal and the flour, so we're making cornmeal pancakes, which adds a nice flavor to it. And then when you do that, we add a little bit of, we add 1 tablespoon of baking powder so that they become more fluffy. And today I'm going to try a little bit of vanilla in here too. So to this mixture of cornmeal and corn flour equal ratio, so half and half, and then just add your milk until you get the consistency that you want. You'll have to do this by feel because you know, you've now changed the recipe ingredients, you know, quite a bit here. So you just need to get as much as you feel is right. About a teaspoon of vanilla. So they say spread it out like that, and that it will bubble up a little bit thicker, yeah. So if you use thicker batter, it becomes more fluffy. Siri and I do with our coffee that we have a little bit left over from every day. We put it in the fridge into this jar, and then we have cold coffee. And then on the weekends, we can make this nice special coffee. This is just very nice coffee with a little bit chocolate or chocolate malt milk added to it. And it's just like it comes from the cafe. This is so delicious, so easy, so quick, and so delicious. And then the rest of the breakfast we're having is our cornmeal, quick, easy, delicious cornmeal pancakes, and which we serve with some maple syrup. And